Okay, I'm excited because today I just got my newest Black Clover mystery box. And these are a great deal. I haven't had one for a while. I think it's my third one I've ordered, and I've always been happy. There's good value. I mean, sometimes there's stuff in here that you may not particularly have purchased in a store. You wouldn't have picked it out, but mostly all the stuff is really cool. And even there's been a couple times where I saw some stuff where I got my mystery box where I thought, I mean, that wasn't maybe something I would buy normally, but it's kind of grown on me, and I've gotten to like it, and I've liked everything I've gotten so far. And as luck would have it, I'm wearing a new Black Clover hat that I got in a golf course in Prescott a few weeks ago, and then I got this white long sleeve T-shirt about in the summertime, and it's too hot in Phoenix to wear it. So today was the first day that is cool enough that I could pull out my new Black Clover long sleeve shirt, and I love it. So let's see what we got. Okay. Got a couple hats here. That's great. One of them, okay, so here's an example of what I'm talking about. This is I think they call this a tropical series. Now, this is something I probably wouldn't have bought on my own, but it is cool, and, I'll wear it. And so maybe I'll like it. Maybe it'll grow on me. But I got a really cool red and white, red, white, and blue fitted. Look at that. Small, which is my size. And it's Live Lucky. It's really cool. Red, white, and blue, right? So maybe I can wear this in the 4th of July. All right, look at this. Finally, I've always wanted to get a pair of shorts, and I got a pair of white shorts, which I need another pair of white shorts. I finally got a pair of shorts. Yay, thank you, Black Clover. Luck of the draw on that one. Okay, cool. Very happy so far. Oh, here's some socks. Okay, I've never gotten socks from Black Clover before. I'm sure these will be great, but mystery box, cool. I wanted some of these. What else we got in here? Oh, cool. Got a waffle golf shirt, polo. My size. This is really good looking. Can't wait to wear that. What else do I got here? All right. And then I got a kind of a aqua colored t-shirt. Live Lucky t-shirt. Really, really cool. So I got the t-shirt, one item. Two items I got, the waffle polo, which is super comfortable. Got a pair of shorts, white pair of shorts, two hats, and a pair of socks. So there you go. I mean, if that's not a deal, I don't know what is. Love it. Can't wait to get my next one.